Jai Shri Krishna everyone, my name is Prashant Tiwari and today I am going to make a vlog on Lord Shiva. Bhagwan Shiv is not just a god. He is a supreme power present in each and every particle of the universe, and he is known as Mahadev also because he is the god of even the gods. While on the one hand he is Rudra, the destroyer who ends evil, and on the other hand, he is Bholinath, who is easily pleased by the simpler devotion of his followers. He is a yogi in meditation in Kailas, and at the same time, he represents the family life of himself as a beloved husband of Mata Parvati and the father of Ganesh, Kartikeya, Ashok Sundari, Jaya, Vishara, Dotuli, Shamilwari, and Dev. And he has a very unique, we can say, identity. He has a snake around his neck, and the holy Ganga, moon in his matted hair, and sacred ash on his body, and the trident in his hand. That shows the very attractive thing to all the devotees. So worshipping Lord Shiva or God Shiva gives us more strength, and it gives us the power to face the fear in his life. Jai Shri Krishna.
My name is Satyam Gupta. I am from Saraswati Vidya Mandir College, Damsanahi Ghat. As we know that Shiva, Lord Shiva, known as the name of Mahadev. Mahadev, called in English Lords of Lord. He is husband of Mahaparvati. He is present every particle. People may prayer in the temple. As this, my members, tell me something about this.
It is said that Lord Shiva is very great God because his behavior is very simple. Also, he became very angry easily. Whenever anybody worshipped Mahadev, he became happy with him very easily. But anybody wants to become angry, he became very early angry. Once upon a time, when Ma Parvati ordered to his son Ganesha, please remain standing at the gate, but Ganesha did not allow to Shiv Shankar to enter the room of Parvati. So they cut the Turan. Just once he cut the head of Ganesha. So he did not see anybody where is before him, before us. So he became angry and very easily. So Mahadev is God of God, great God, Jai Mahakal.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Dharmendra Kumar Chaudhary from Saraswati Mandir Inter College Shiva College University. I have given about telling Lord Shiva. He is known as many names in Hindu religions as Trinetrahari, Trishulධari, Shambhunath, Bhutnath. He is very powerful God in all gods. Every person like to worship him. He is a most powerful God. There are many bhakta are found everywhere. Many people went to for their darshan in Kedarnath, Badrinath, etc. places. So I can say he is a very popular God in Hindu religions. Thank you.
My name is Sunil Kumar. I am from Khurja. My mentor Deepak sir gave me a topic, Mahadev. Mahadev is the powerful on all God. We can say Tridev, Mahadev, Vishnu, and Brahma. But Mahadev is a destroyer. we can say some lines on Mahadev. कपूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेंद्रहारम सदा वसंतम हृदयारविंदे भवन भवानी सहितम नमामि. He is father of Kartikeya and Ganesha, and he is husband of Parvati, and all people mostly like him and worship Mahadev. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Dinesh Sharma, and I am from Mathura Kishan Gandhi Inter College. Now, my team has already teach everything about Mahadev, and this topic is given by my mentor, Mr. Deepak Sharma. He is a very talented teacher and a fantastic topic given today itself about the God, which God is the most powerful in the world. So, I am talking about just thinking about which God is the most powerful, most effective, most can change our life. We are thinking about the Lord Shiva, the God Shiva, the universe, the Almighty and destroyer everything. Because He is the only God, then everyone can worship. Like devil as well as also like many of gods also worship of Lord Shiva. And one thing I want to suggest to you, Mahamrityunjay mantra. It is given by Lord Shiva. ओम ओम जुम से ओम भूर्भुवः से ओम त्रिकम यामहि सुगंधिम पुष्टवर्धनम उर्वारुकमिव बृंद मृत्योच्छियं मामृतात् ओम ओम जुम से ओम भूर्भुवः से. My team is already talking about Lord Shiva. There are 24 third sibling in India we worship. First one is Mahakal, Vishwanath, Amarnath, Trikabindam. So many things. We know about so many temples, Mahadev. We worship Mahadev. Mostly girls, mostly ladies worship Mahadev. Why? Because Mahadev is the only person he can understand very easily. Mahadev is very silent. Mahadev is very angry. Both quality found in Mahadev. Every songs, everything origin from Mahadev. Mahadev nobody can defeat in the world. Nobody can find when he was born. How many A's? Nobody can tell about anything about Mahadev. We love Mahadev. All my team is here and the topic has been done by us. Thank you all of you. And
Om Namah Parvati Pataya Hara Hara Mahadev.